Hello everyone, I am Abid Hasan Siam. In this video, I am sharing with you my Italian client Google Ads campaign result and how to create you this type campaign. All everything I am showing. So let's start this video. Right now, I am still in my client Google Ads account, and I select here 18 October to the 6 November campaign result, and they run 18 October to 6 November regularly, but not run always because their website some problem he faced. So I selected that, and I see here we get this time we get 7 conversion, and if I select the cost, and the cost of €185, ROS 200, 49.85%, and conversion value for 462.93 euro. And if I select the 3 November to 6 November, we get 5 conversions as these 4 days, and the cost is 69 euro, and ROS is 433. And if I select the only 3 November, so we see here only 3 November we get 4 conversion, and the cost is 50 euro. So this ads account knew this ads scale like day by day, improving their result, but unfortunately client faced their website some issue, that's why they paused this campaign. But next he ran this campaign as well as, and right now I am showing with you how to create this campaign. It's e-commerce, that's why they are have a merchant account. It's obviously sales campaign objective because it's e-commerce, and add goal purchase, then we create click continue. It's a shopping campaign, and the merchant is was connected, and it's obviously shopping campaign, not performance max. And I put a name like a sales, shopping Siam 1122, and click to continue. And their daily budget is 25 euro, and the shopping campaign have 3 bidding. One is target ROS, second is maximize clicks, and the manual bidding is manual CPC. So the target ROS is the best bidding on shopping campaign, but unfortunately I have not enough data for using this target ROS bidding, and maximize clicks is not recommended. So we need to select the manual CPC. So we select manual CPC, and not use that, and go to the next. And it's running whole Italy, and I select that because when we select this option, this ad showing worldwide. And go to the more section, the search partner network, I exclude that because the search partner network has customer not warm, they are cold. So that's why I exclude that, and I go to the next, and I create the one ad group they run Microsoft all product, and I put here the max CPC, like I select the manual CPC and I put here max CPC bit. So I put here like 0.60 euro, and I select here the merchant product, and go to the custom level, and go to the custom level 0, and I select that it's Microsoft all product here, and I click to next. And we revise that second time the manual CPC budget is, and yeah, all everything is done. And if I click to publish, this campaign was published, but right now not this campaign is published because we have already created our campaign. So yeah, that's it for today. If you need any question or need any help, just contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.